So today I have a face mask video for you guys. I want to share my best recipe ever for a turmeric face mask because honey, I have tried dozens and dozens. I got the recipes off Pinterest, off YouTube, and none of them did the things, none of them worked for me. So through trial and error, I managed to develop this recipe, and honey, let me tell you, it does the things. It packs a punch, so get ready for today. In today's video, I'm also going to be taking you guys through a couple of techniques that you can apply when masking, just to make sure that you guys get the most out of your face mask. Because honey, you spend all this time buying the ingredients, making this mask, you want to make sure that it does the things and you get the most out of it. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's just jump straight into it. So before you make the mask, you want to either identify your skin problem or set your skin goal. Okay, so a skin problem would be something that bothers you from day to day. So that could be acne, dark marks, oily skin, dry skin, you guys know the drill. And then if you hardly have a skin problem, then the best thing to do, or probably your reason for masking, is because you want to achieve a particular skin goal. So you need to set that goal so that you know exactly what you're looking for and what you're trying to achieve in both cases. Now this is very important because it helps you when it comes to sourcing your ingredients, because you can do your research and find out what ingredients are going to get you closer to either solving your skincare problem or achieving your skincare goal. So once you've identified your skin problem or set your skin goal, it's time to mix your ingredients together. Now, with your ingredients, you want to make sure that they're either as natural or as organic as possible. Okay, so a natural ingredient would be an ingredient that is as close to its natural state as possible. So not many alterations have been done to it, if at all. Okay, so for example, a fruit was picked from a tree, it's still a fruit, it hasn't been cut, dried, or anything like that. Okay, and then an organic ingredient would be one that you find in its natural habitat. So the fruit is still on the tree, or the herb that you want to use is still in the soil or whatever. So that would be an organic ingredient.
So here is a close-up of the mask once I've mixed all the ingredients together, and the mint leaves are not really showing, but they are there. So the first ingredient I used to make the mask is cake wheat flour, which is a natural ingredient, and it really is a great carrier for all the nutrients in the mask. Another ingredient I used is rooibos, which is a natural ingredient. This is my favorite antioxidant. Okay, I use it on my skin, I drink it in my tea like honey. Then comes the turmeric, which is a natural and power ingredient in this mask, which helps to brighten, tone, and fight pigmentation. And I only used a tablespoon and a half from this packet. And then fresh lemon juice, squeezed from a fresh lemon to control the oil, honey. Listen, apple cider vinegar has a host of health benefits for the skin, including removing dead skin cells and just making your skin look refreshed and renewed. And then some honey. So I basically used it for its antibacterial properties, and so the mask doesn't strip all the oil from my face. And then the last ingredient is mint, and this is organic honey because I picked it from my pot plant. I'm so proud of myself, outside, and mint is really great at opening up your pores.
So once you've mixed all your ingredients together, you want to let the mask sit. Now I like to leave my masks to sit overnight because when you let it sit, you allow the nutrients to seep out of the ingredients and into the mask. In this way, it makes your mask very potent, and that's exactly what you want, guys. You want a potent mask. You don't want no weak ass mask. Like, what good is that gonna do to you? Like, what good is that gonna do for you, to you? Like, come on. So once you've mixed all your ingredients together and you've let the mask sit overnight, it's time to apply it on your face, and you want to apply it on a clean, steamed face. Guys, it is so important to steam your face before applying a face mask, because this is what opens your pores so the mask can go deeper into your skin and do what it needs to do. Also, you want to invest in a brush, okay, that you will use to apply the mask on your face. Guys and girls, I have no idea how many people I've spoken to, ladies in particular, and they tell me that they apply their masks with their hands. Do not do that, okay? Like, no, you don't do that, because how do you layer it on properly? So invest in a brush that you will use to apply your face masks on your face, okay? It doesn't have to be like a brush that is specifically made for face masks. Girl, it can be one of those cheap makeup brushes from Chinatown. Just buy it, wash it, disinfect it, and use that brush. Like, as long as it doesn't shed, because shedding is like, oh, it's irritating. It's the last thing you want, like all those hair pieces in your face mask, honey. Sit on your face until it dries, which is very important. Like, listen, this mask will do nothing but benefit your skin, so you want to leave it on until it dries if you can, okay? If you're in a hurry for some reason, then I guess you can rinse it off before it dries. But you want to be masking when you have all the time in the world. You want to leave that mask to dry, and you just want to get the most out of it, okay? It is already potent. You left it overnight to chill, so you want those nutrients to soak into your skin as deep and as much as possible. You want to give them time to soak into your pores, because that process is not rapid either, okay? You need to give it time. You need to let the ingredients soak into your pores. So once you've let the mask dry on your face, you rinse it off and you pat your face dry. Like, I cannot even emphasize the importance of patting your face dry, because your pores are open, so you want to prevent any clogging, any blockages. So avoid wiping, avoid sweeping, and just pat your face dry, okay? The same applies to any product you apply to your face after you've rinsed off the mask. For example, your face moisturizer. You want to pat it on your face, okay? You don't want it to clog your pores. Instead, you want to push it in, because that's what patting does. It pushes the product into your pores to make sure that it gets in and you reap the most benefits from that product, or what it promises to offer your skin. You make sure that you get the most out of that promise because you applied it right, okay? And that brings us to the end of today's video. Guys, I hope you found it informative, helpful. Give this mask a try. You definitely will not regret it. Like I said, it is the best turmeric face mask recipe I've ever tried, I've ever used, and honey, my skin speaks for itself. Yes, I'm wearing makeup, but that's the thing with great skin, okay? It speaks through the makeup, honey. Okay, guys, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram, Love Being Pretty. Thanks for kicking with me in today's video. Be sure to check out all my other videos. Love and light to you and yours, and I'll see you in the next one. Salute.